What's up guys, it's your boy here, Joshua C. And are you guys already used to the new lifestyle, or you guys can't wait to go out of your house? Well, I think I'm getting fitter with my home workouts. Yes, today I'm gonna unbox the OPPO A91. Opening up the box, we have the SIM pin 2, plastic silicone back cover, booklet, the phone, Type-C USB cable, earphones, and a VOOC 3.0 flash charger. Okay, box aside, let's unwrap the phone. Okay, first, let's look at the design. The one we have here is the lightning black variant, and by turning it, you can see the two-shade reflection, which is pretty nice and classy with the OPPO logo on the bottom left. On top of that, we have the vertical quad camera setup with the flash beside it. Now, to the sides, we have a volume rocker and a dual SIM slot with expandable micro SD card slot, the power button, a 3.5mm audio jack, speaker rail, and a Type-C charging port on the bottom. So back to the front and turning it on, we have a 6.4-inch Gorilla Glass 5 AMOLED Full HD Plus water drop notch display. It also has an in-display fingerprint scanner that can unlock the phone in just 0.32 seconds. Speaking about the in-display fingerprint 3.0, the OPPO A91 does not just unlock your phone in 0.32 seconds, but it also uses a special algorithm that maximizes touch and detail sensitivity to protect against fake fingerprints. So you don't have to worry about your girlfriend accidentally opening up and checking your phone with her fingers. Besides that, the display also comes with a 2400x1080 pixel resolution, a body to screen ratio of 90.7%, and DC dimming 2.0. With that, you can totally immerse yourself in movies without straining your eyes, and you'll never have to be afraid of breaking your phone display that easily. As for the camera, it comes with a quad camera setup on the rear with a 48MP f1.8 main camera, 8MP 119 degrees ultra wide angle camera, 2MP macro lens, and 2MP depth sensor. It also comes with an EIS anti-shake feature that allows you to capture steady videos. On the front, it has a 16MP selfie camera. So because of the MCO, I'm not able to go anywhere to get some nice outdoor shoots. So I'll just take some shots outside of my house and also some indoor shots at home. In terms of the tech specs, the OPPO A91 is equipped with the MediaTek Helio P70 chipset with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage space. It also comes with a 4000mAh battery supported by a VOOC 3.0 flash charge that can charge up to 50% in just 30 minutes. Other than that, it also comes with Game Boost 2.0 that enables a better frame rate without any lag during my PUBG gaming. There's also the split screen multitask function and a shortcut bar on the side for you to easily open up your most used apps in just one tap. So overall, this is a pretty great phone, especially thanks to its good camera quality for the price of just 999 ringgit. However, I would have to say that I dislike that the back is a fingerprint magnet, but this is more my personal preference. So that's all for today. I'm Joshua C. See you next time.